Wow, amazing job. You did the entire program. You finished all the 7 days. How are you feeling? And we hope that you're feeling good. Like in the body, mentally, more calm, more present, peaceful, relaxed, also strong. We know there are some challenging parts in there too, but you made it. Good job not finding excuses to push it, to procrastinate. You did the whole program. We are so proud of you for finishing. But now, what's next? Well, we got some options for you. We got a ton of content for you on this channel, just waiting for you to hit play. There is, if you look through the channel, lots of movement classes, which of course also incorporate breathwork and meditation. There's also classes that do only meditation. There's also only breathwork practices. As we mentioned in the Day 0 overview video, there's also the 28-day Ignite yoga program that you could continue with.
We also have several tutorials on different foundational poses that will keep you safe in your practice. Jump around, explore our channel, explore all the different playlists that we have to get you excited for what the next steps could be. Even though there's a lot of opportunity there, maybe you really enjoyed this past week and you don't feel like you're ready to move on yet. You want to revisit what you just went through, and that's perfectly fine. Repeat the series again back on day 1, go through day 7. If you want to repeat it again, just keep going. With our 28-day Ignite yoga program, we actually have a few people that have continued to do that month-long program, and it's April now, and we just got a message that they are halfway through their 4th round of the Ignite program, and that's perfectly fine. That's how these programs are designed, to give you an opportunity to get the full spectrum of yoga within that either 7-day for EMBARK or 28-day for Ignite. It's a full rounded experience. So if you want to continue to repeat EMBARK as long as you'd like, that's great.
You basically repeat the program until it's no longer serving you, until you feel like it's time to move on and you exhausted all the benefits that this program that you currently are doing is giving you.
We have given this entire 7-day program for you and this sort of crash course and introduction into yoga for free. And the best way that you can support us and help us on this mission to keep creating content and keep sharing ways for humans to heal is by subscribing to our channel and sharing the message. If you know somebody in your life that could benefit from this program, who is maybe also looking for ways to heal in their body or find movement or meditation, then please share this channel with them, share this program with them.
Again, we are really proud of you for completing the program, and we're super excited to see and maybe hear from you what you're gonna do next. You can comment below if you're gonna do this program again, or if you're going somewhere else, other program or different classes on this channel. Let us know. We would love to hear what works for you and what you are about to do next. Remember 7 days ago when you watched the introduction, the overview video, and we're very proud of you for sticking to it, having this open mind and doing the first step. You did the program, and this is just the beginning of a wonderful, wonderful journey. Thank you so much for trusting us and for letting us share our practice with you. Love and gratitude. See you soon.
Namaste.
Namaste.